Hello, my name is Zach. This is my 1992 Dodge Cummins. Club cab with an 8-foot bed. Got 179,000 miles on it. Needs a little work. Got a 5-speed. Got into a wreck. There's the old stuff. The door's pretty beaten up bad. Gotta do a little work to it. Interior's fairly alright. I mean, no real bad. That's the only tear in the seat. See if this thing will start. May have a little problem with it. So what we did wrong here. There we go. Now here's the rough side. Lower control arms bent. Got a couple other things wrong. We'll get all that fixed in time.